Hey guys, JP here. Today I'm going to be showing you shoulder circles, okay? So we do things a little differently here. We don't just jump straight into it. We'll warm things up properly. And the first thing we want to do is warm up the rotator cuffs. So pretty much the way you want to do that, buffing out that chest, keep those shoulders low. Big, very important key here. Keep the shoulders low. Don't let them creep up here. Keep them nice and low, okay? Starting with the rotator cuff, what we do is we just twist as much as we can. We twist in the other direction as much as we can. Hold it for 3 seconds. Twist into the other one. Hold it for 3 to 5 seconds. Coming back again. Okay, and once you've done that about 3 times or so, and you're ready to really get into the shoulder mobility stuff, then we start with just little circles. Okay, and then what you want to do is you want to twist your hand, okay, all the way in one direction, same size circles, and then we want to twist in the other direction, same size circles. Okay, now stay there, a little bit bigger, some medium-sized circles. Okay, twist again, medium-sized circles. And then one more time here, twisting again, big circles. Okay, both directions, twist, both directions, okay? And that is how we do effective shoulder circles. Thanks so much for watching.